Okay, fellas, today's video is going to be very easy. We're basically going to be talking about how to integrate Synthflow with GoHighLevel's calendar. I'm going to show you guys every step along the way, the integration that you'll need to do, and obviously how to get it set up. So let's go ahead and start right now. So as you can see, I'm currently in my Synthflow dashboard. For those of you who do not have Synthflow, there will be a link down in the description below with a 30-day free trial that you could definitely use. Let me know once you use it, and then I'll activate the 30 days with the staff. Now, I basically created an AI employee right here that is able to book in the meetings right for you. So let's go ahead and set up that part of booking in the meeting, right? So I'm not going to go over the details of configuration or anything like that today. There's separate videos for that. However, I am going to go over the actions button, as you can see right here. So there's going to be one that is called the real-time booking. You're going to go ahead and click on add on that. Click on new action. If you do not have an action already set up, you're going to go ahead and press the create button right here. And then you're going to click on GoHighLevel and then connect. Right? And once you connect, it's going to bring you onto a marketplace. Here, you're going to log in. Once you have logged in, you're going to see these tabs pop up. Right? So currently, right, all you have to do is select your agency account. Or if you'd like to have a specific sub account for it, you could select the specific sub account. In this case, I'm basically going to be choosing Visionaire right here as an example. I basically have it just set up for all sub accounts. So whenever a calendar gets added onto that sub account individually, you will be able to see all of the calendars all in one place. So allow access to all account for Visionaire, and then enable automatic feature installation. This basically is an option that once the application automatically installs it for like new accounts, so you don't have to go in individually and install the calendar, right, integration for all sub accounts within GoHighLevel itself. So you're just going to enable that and then proceed. Now, once you guys have that done, you're going to be able to see the calendars that you have, right? For example, if I choose mine right here, it's going to pop up and basically gather everything from the accounts themselves, right? From the sub accounts from your GoHighLevel. So you click on next, and then right here, as you can see, it's going to pull up what it's going to happen, right? When booking these appointments. So basically the prompting and editing the prompting behind booking the API appointment. So what are you going to do with this, right? The calendar event title is what you're going to basically title it whenever someone books in a meeting. You are not able to use variables yet. So you could basically name it something like discovery call with Kevin. And then you would select your time zone, whatever time zone you're in. And I would personally recommend that you guys offer 2 days with 2 appointment slots and 2 intervals between, right? So you go ahead and save that. And then from here on out, you're going to your assistant. And then in real-time booking, you're going to see the add button. And then you're going to select on the one that we just added right now. So if I go ahead and give it a call, it should be able to book me into my time. So let's go ahead and test that out. Right now, I'm receiving the phone call. Let's answer it.
Hey there, this is Adam. I'm one of the visionaries from Visionaire. What's your name and what questions do you have for me?
Hey Adam, I just wanted to book in a meeting with you guys.
Great. Are you looking to learn how to build a visionary yourself? Or are you interested in integrating a visionary into your business directly?
Just integrating a visionary.
Awesome. What would you be using the visionary for? Is it for customer support, lead qualifying, follow-up, or something else?
I'd use it for follow-up.
Perfect. Follow-ups are crucial for keeping things moving smoothly. Let's get you set up with a call to discuss this further. We have slots available on Wednesday at 12:30 p.m. or 2:30 p.m. and on Thursday at 10 a.m. or 12 p.m. Which one works best for you?
Thursday at 12 p.m.
Great choice. I'll book that for you right now. Just a moment. I'm setting up your appointment for Thursday at 12 p.m. Please wait a moment while I book your meeting. Your appointment is all set for Thursday at 12 p.m. If you need to reschedule, please use the link in your email. Is there anything else I can help you with today?
No, that should be it. Thank you so much. All right. So as you guys can see right here, it booked in the meeting for 12 p.m. And then I also received the notification with the automation that I have set up. As you can see right here, that is the email. And yeah, that is basically how you guys need to set up your integration between Synthflow as well as GoHighLevel. So hopefully this taught you guys a lot, and I will see you guys in the next one. Have a good one.